What's up, Fantastic family? It's your girl Fantastic, and I am back with another freaking travel vlog. It's actually a room tour. Y'all thought I forgot about you. I am back, and I'm back with the travel vlog. So call me and see my room. I'm here at the Wyndam Alltra All Resort. That's not where I'm at. I'm at the Wyndam Alltra All Adults Resort here in Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen is not far. Is it north of Cancun or south of Cancun? I'll get back with you. Geography ain't never been my best subject. But yeah, you going back. That's where I am. And we're right here on 5th Avenue on the Strip. Everything is here, all the nightlife, all the everything. So buckle up. This is the room I'm staying in. We don't have the magic keys. We got the traditional key. So let's open the door and we'll come in. These are the details. That is actually made in the wall. It's a fixture. Then we have the mirror and a table here. That's not a permanent fixture. That is a table. We've been using it as a like catch-all. Turn to the right. We have, you don't want to stay open for me. Close, boo. You have the full-length mirror. Open the door, go in. This is the closet. You gotta save and shelves that we have not done anything with. We've been living out the suitcases. Another shelf up here. We got an iron board and hangers. Come further over, you have the restroom. There's our throne room. This is the bathroom sink. Don't mind what you see. We've been living here. Towel rack. There's another one of those podium fixtures. Got clean towels sitting there. Those towels are dirty. Then you have the water room. It has the brick wall there, so we don't have to worry about water going everywhere. As usual. And the brick wall goes all the way around. You got the shelf. They had a couple of amenities. You got the rain shower, but it's not above the head. It's right there. And that's the shower. And I must say I've enjoyed it because water is not everywhere. Come on out. And this is a junior suite, oceanfront. See the details and those podiums are made. There's a step, so watch your step, because the first night I was here, or morning, somebody knocked on my door and I just jumped up out my seat and tripped up it. Here's another mirror. Another built-in table. Yeah. Here's the TV. It's another dresser. It's your coffee. You got a coffee maker down there if you wanna make yourself some coffee. And here's the fridge, fully stocked with beer, sodas, mineral water. This is a king size. You got a little couch, dining area. Room is equipped with a ceiling fan, and then we have the patio. Come on, let's go outside and look. Pulled it back, the curtain back, you got that one is the shade out, but then you got a blind if you want to kind of see. And we got a pool view, ocean front. This is our patio. Some of the patios like the street view. And you got cabanas you can reserve each day. They're out playing volleyball. And then we're right on the ocean. I mean, literally, look. Look how close we are to the water. And surprisingly, I haven't heard the waves. You got your mom. All this is outside my room. I mean, I'm literally right here at the pool. See how close I am? See the ocean in the background.